Hi, I'll be showing you a mod that allows you to change your block outline, among like one other thing, but I'll get to that when I'm in the config menu. Okay, the mod is Better Block Outline by Dark Chronicle, and as I said, it just allows you to change your block outline and one other thing that I will get to. And another mod that I would recommend you download, or you will need to download, is Mod Menu by Prospector, because there are no combination of buttons that allow you to enter the config menu without this. To get into the config menu after you downloaded both mods, you want to go to your game menu and you should see a mods button. Click it and find Better Block Outline, should say client next to it, and then find this little button in the top right, and when you hover over it, should say configure. Once you get there, you can see there's only a few, it's not very many, but show through blocks. It allows you to essentially see through blocks, and it could be useful for building whatever that you're going to or plan to use it for. And then you got outline color, which as you see, mine's a custom color. Fill color is practically like coloring in the block, just you can't see the block at all. So I don't recommend you use it, but if that's what you're for, go for it. The outline type, it just changes the way you render it. I use line, which is the default, but you can always use strip, which connects the vertices of blocks. Practically, it just looks cool. And you can also change the width of the block outline. And let me put mine, just as a little example. You can change the width as just up to you. Let's set this back down. And you also got force cube outline, which I've never used, but so far to my knowledge, it's here, let me read out this thing. Forces the outline of the block to always be a cube the size of a block. So like, I'm assuming for anything modded that may not be like or any texture packs that may alter the looks of blocks, it should still maintain the square. And we got multi-block connect type. It describes how blocks that accompany more than one block, such as bed, doors, and pistons, are outlined. And you can set it to seamless, which is, each outline is joined together, which is what I have. It's the default. You can use blocks, which renders each block separately, and you can use none, just to disable it. And then there are outline modifiers. There's chroma. When you add it, it just changes, it switches between a bunch of colors. So if you can't choose a color, I recommend this for you. And if that's not for you, you got blink, which you choose a color and you really like it, but you want some cool effect. It blinks in and out, just to be a little unique. And the same with fill modifiers. It's chroma or blink. If you were to use fill, it'd do the same thing. And so, yeah, that is the mod. It was really short, and I did have to record this like 7 different times because I kept messing up on words, and I did mess up on quite a few things on this one, but this was at least. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I will try to get better at these little tutorials, but I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, peace.